Today's tech tip is a huge time-saving tip that can show you how to open multiple tabs at once. This is a tip that we had before, but it was part of another tip. So now it's just all by itself. It'll save you so much time. Here's the situation, the challenge. We feel like we waste time every day trying to open the same tabs when we get to work. The solution is to use a bookmark folder. Let me show you how it works. So here I am. I've just gotten to work for the day, and I would like to work on a project. I'm working on a digital citizenship project. And you can see that I have 6 pages that I've bookmarked in this folder in my bookmarks. If I right click on it, I can go open all 6. And then it will load. Sometimes it depends on how many I have, how fast these pages load, but it will load them quickly. And let's start another new one. Maybe there's a new window, new blank window. Maybe what I want to do then is use my productivity ones. I only have 3 in there right now, but when I click on it, it gives me Google Drive, it gives me webmail, and it gives me Google Classroom. And then I don't have to navigate to them. I could do this by clicking on each individual one that I've bookmarked, but let me show you how to set this up. Of course, I can always organize my bookmarks. Notice mine don't have words next to them. But I can always organize them by grabbing them and dragging them on my bookmarks bar. But if I want to make a folder, I have to go to Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager. So you can see I have the folders I've created. This is on my bookmarks bar. I have another bookmarks folder and a mobile bookmarks folder, but I want bookmarks bar. And if I want a new folder, I click over here on the 3 little dots and I go add a new folder. And this is going to be T3 Practice. Now by default, it'll put it at the bottom of all my bookmarks. So I'm going to go get it and drag it to the top. So now that I've dragged it to the top here in my manager, you can see that that folder is right here. Now there's nothing in that folder yet. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to something I want to put in the folder. So maybe I would like to have Skyward open up every day because I need to take roll. So I've bookmarked Skyward. So here it is. If I want to bookmark it again, right now it's in the bookmarks bar, but I really want it to go in T3 Practice. And I click Done. And then it takes it and moves it. Now, if I've already bookmarked it and I want Classroom in there, I can grab it and just drag it to the top of it too. And now I have 2 pages in my T3 Practice. If I right click on it, it'll open both of those at once. So as a classroom teacher, I might do Skyward, Google Classroom, maybe CNN Student News, whatever it is that I use on a daily basis that it takes me time. So go in, organize your folders so that you can open all your tabs at once. Have a great Tuesday.